Okay. So next topic, same topic only. I am going to revise. When we have more than two numbers, up to now we have only two numbers. Maybe two positive, or two negative, or one positive, one negative. Like the problems are there. So you have solved them. So maybe once again I am going to give some work for you. Okay? I am going to write on the board, try to say. -2 minus 5 is my question. How do you answer?
-2
First of all, you write simple. How? This is -2. Here two symbols are there. Minus and minus. Yesterday I discussed that. Do you remember? Minus and minus will become plus. Plus 5. Now we will think in that manner. How?
Up and down.
So one down, up and down is there. So we have to find the difference, not the total. Difference. What is the difference between these numbers? 3. And where we are? Up or down? Up means what? Plus. Okay. Next, one more question. So -8 plus -3.
-8.
Only one symbol. Here two symbols are there. Plus to minus will become minus. And 3. Here what is happening? Down means what I said to you? Total is how much?
11.
Where we are? Down. We are down only. That's what is question. Answer. Okay. Plus 18 minus -4. Plus 18 minus plus. You have to remember this. I said to you know minus plus. Plus also plus. Plus minus or minus plus will be minus. Okay. Now here how they are? Up means what should we find? 18 and 4 total?
22.
Where we are? Up and down? Okay, if you think like that without mistake you do. Plus 4 minus plus 6. Plus 4 minus 6. How they are? Up, down. Means what should we find? Difference of 6 to 4. How much? 2. And where we are? Up and down. Because down steps are more now. That's why we are down. If up steps are more, you will be up. If down steps are more, you will be down. Okay. This is the way of doing the problems. Already yesterday I have said to you, daily if you practice better, I said. 5 days you practice. Brackets are no need, but directly you can take problem like this. And you practice. How they are? Up, or down, or up and down. So both up or both down, you have to find the total. Up and down is there. You have to find the difference. Both up and both down, you have to find the total. One up and one down, you have to find the difference. Okay. So that is the way of. And the symbol, how do you find? Both where you are. Which steps are more, there we are. If up steps are more, we are up. Down steps are more, we are down. Come on, listen carefully. Okay, now next one, I will say to you now, here only two numbers only are there now. Now if more numbers are there, then how? Here only two numbers are there. Suppose 5 numbers I will give, 3 numbers I will give, 6 numbers I give, 4 numbers I give. Then how to do them? That I will explain. Listen carefully. This is also same method, no difference. Very easy, but more numbers only are coming, that much only. So you see now, -20 plus -40 minus -30 plus -6 minus plus 2. This is the question. There are so many numbers are there now. simple. First of all, you write without brackets. You know how to write it. First, only one symbol only is there. You write directly. Here, two symbols are there. You know that plus minus will become minus. So minus 40. Minus minus will become plus. Plus minus will become plus plus will become. Okay, this is completed. Now here 4 numbers are there, no? That's why we do one thing here. When more numbers are there, what is the main thing you have to do? You know, first all down steps you take. Next all up steps you take. Down steps one time you write. Up steps one time you write. Which are the down steps here?
20, 40, 60.
Down you go first. 20, 40, 6. Means what should we do? You have to total find the total now. 66. Down 66 steps. You write that. Then up how many steps? 32. Means what you are doing here? Down steps you are finding total. Up steps you are finding total. Down steps one total. Up steps one total. So up steps are how many? 32. Because of up steps plus I can. Because of down steps minus I can. Now you see this is the question you know no?
Yes.
This method you know no?
Yes.
So how are they?
Up and down.
Up and down are there. Means what should we find? Difference you have to find. Find the difference between these two. 90. Difference. 34 is difference. 66 to 32. Difference is how much? 34. Difference means how do you find? By subtraction you will find.
Yes.
So what you will get? 34. And where we are? Up or down? Down. Because down steps are more now.
Yes.
The steps are more here. Down steps. That's why down steps are more. Answer? Minus. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Is there any difficulty in this?
No.
Pattern is same pattern. There is no difficulty. Only what is that here? First, removing that one brackets and one symbol you are writing. Second step, what are you doing? All up steps one time, all down steps one time. All up steps one time, down steps one time. After writing up and down, same method. You know that process also. Okay, now again, one more question. Minus 30 plus 50 minus 20 plus minus 30. Say to me. Minus 30, single symbol. Plus will be plus only. Minus also will be plus only. So here what should I write? More numbers means first all down steps, next all up steps. All down steps, 60 steps down. That's what you write. How many steps up? 70 steps up. Now what is there? Up and down. So means you have to find the difference. What is the difference between the where we are? Up or down? Because more steps are up, steps are more now. That's why you will be up and down. Okay, do you understand? Write this in your notebook now. Okay, then you take the textbook page number 80, 6.3. In 6.3 some problems are there. First two bits are completed already. Now third bit, first two bits you have completed already. See the third bit, what is that?
Find the sum of.
Find the sum of. Sum means what? Total. Total means not all numbers, total you should not do. Again this method you have to practice. What is our method? Up and down method only you have to take. Okay, I said to you, this year onwards, no old methods. Addition set means all numbers should not add. How they are you have to check? Maybe down steps or maybe up steps. That all you have to be checked like that. So see, this one problem I will set to here, remaining you will do that. Okay? In first problem, we are going to find the sum of two numbers. Second problem 2 numbers only. Third problem 3 numbers are there. Fourth problem
3 numbers.
3 numbers are. Now how to do? He is saying to find the sum of no. So we have to write that number 3 numbers. First number minus 60. Second number, question number 4 I am missing.
Minus 100.
Minus 100. Third number 300. Is there? No, we have to take like this. Listen. He is saying to find what is the heading of this bit. Find the sum of. Page number 80. 80, last third bit. Find the sum of. Find the
Sum of.
Here 4 questions are there. Out of them, fourth one I am saying to you. So this is 6.3. Which bit? Third bit. Question number 4. Remaining you have to. Method I am saying, listen, you can do it. Find the sum of these 3 asked. Find the sum of. Sum means you have to be total, no?
Yes.
Means you have to first write like this. Keep the brackets. And keep in middle plus. Sum of he said no. Sum of means what should we do? You have to add it. Add means I kept plus. Which numbers? First number, second number, third. Now you know the method. Now I said the method not to you.
Yes.
Same method no it is.
Yes.
Right now how do you write first? We will go to the bracket. Minus 60 plus and minus. Plus only one symbol only is there. So very easy. Now what I said here, more numbers are there. Means what I said to you. First two. First down steps all you take. 160 means only 160 out right. Minus 160. Up steps. Now how they are? Up and down. Means what should you do? Difference how to find. Difference 460. Only you are seeing symbol only again. Not like that. Remember method. Always method how to do. Up, down, up. Down, up. Difference you have to find. Difference means 300, 160. Difference you have to find. Means what you will do? Big number you will take and small number you will take and subtract. Difference means what you will get? 140 you will get. 140. And where we are? Up or down? Up. Why? That's why you will be up. So what is symbol? Plus. Okay, do you understand? Can you do like that? This method, this bit? And fourth bit you see. Fourth bit one problem I will say. Fourth bit. Fourth bit also like this only. More numbers are there. So question number 3. What is the question number 3? Minus 80 plus 40 plus minus 40 plus 6. Okay, how do you write this? You know that? Say to me. Plus only. Plus 6. Okay. Now here what are there? So many are there. Means order set is first to down steps, then up steps. Which are the down steps here? Means what to? 80 and 30. 1 from 10 to 110. Minus 110. Up step.
Plus
40. Now here see what happened here. Up and down means what should you do? Difference how do you find? Big number you will take and small number you will subtract. 10 minus 6, 4. 10 minus 6, 4, 6. So what do you get it? 60. Means which steps are more here? That the answer will be minus no? Minus
64.
Okay? Understand? Write that and these 2 bits you do as homework. One question I said to you already. That is also like this only see. Now I said like that only is there. Is it or not? 6.4. Fourth bit. There is a page number 83. Page number 83, 6.4. Fourth bit. Simplify. Same type bit. One more example I will explain. In this I am saying to you second question. What is the second question?
Minus 12 less 42 minus 7 minus 2.
Here only bracket is there.
Yes.
You can remove. Before the remaining problems, 2-3 brackets are there. Okay, how do you remove? You know that. So remove only one symbol now.
Yes.
This is as it is because bracket is not there. No.
Yes.
Now more numbers are there. How do you do?
First dance.
All down steps first. How many down steps are there here? 1, 2, 3 down steps are there. 12. All down steps you have to take the total. No.
21.
Totally how many down steps are there? 12 down. 21 down steps are there. So what do you write? Minus 21. Up steps only is there.
42.
Then you know how do you do? One is down, one is up. Means what should we do? You should find the difference. 42, 21 difference. What is the difference? 21. And where we are? Up or down? Up. Why? Up steps are more. Down steps are less. That's why we will be up. So means what you write? Up. Okay? Can you do like that?
Yes.
So remaining 3 problems you have to do. One problem I said 3. Yes. 6.4 fourth bit. 6.4 second bit now. 6.4 second bit. In this I am saying to you second question. What is the second question? You see this. Minus 16 minus 23 dash minus 6 plus minus 12. These are 2 questions are there. One question separate, one question separate. And what should we do? You know, here we have to find this answer. Afterwards you have to say which is bigger. See, first heading you see. Fill in the blanks with appropriate symbols. What are that? Greater than, less than, or equal to. Means which is bigger you have to find. Is it or not? So first you have to find this answer. Next to this answer. Then in between symbol. First we will find this answer. Okay, how do you find? First what should we do? Brackets are there. Brackets you have to remove. Write it. Minus 16 plus 23. You know that how to do? How these are? Up and down. So what should you do? What is the difference between 23 and 16? 7. Difference between 23 and 16 is? 7. Yes or no? Difference means you have to do the subtraction. 23 minus 16 will be 7. And where we are? Up or down? Because up steps are more now. Yes. So we are up. So what is the answer? Plus 7. Plus 7. Okay, that's the answer you do. First what should we do? Brackets you have to remove. It is what? Minus 6 plus and minus. Minus 12. Now how they are? Means what should we do? Total is how much? 18. Where we are? Down means what symbol? So you got plus 7 minus 18. You know that meaning? Plus 7 means we are 7 steps up. Minus 18 means 18 steps down. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger. 7 steps upper is bigger. 18 steps down is bigger. Huh? What one? You understand? Plus 7 means what? Bigger. Which is the bigger? Up one is bigger now. In these both numbers, which is upper? 7 steps up, 18 steps down. Which is bigger? Plus 7 is bigger. Upper not important. Position is important. Plus 7 means I am 7 steps more up. 18 steps means 18 steps down here. Minus means. So which is bigger here? Plus 7 is bigger. Plus 7 is bigger and minus 8 is smaller. You check like that. Otherwise, number line also is set to you know which is right side or which is upper. You check like that. Then you can say. So can you do this bit?
Yes.
Two examples. One example I have given. Okay. Okay. Write these examples. And last bit I will say to you. Okay. Which of the questions are there? Fill the blanks are there. Minus 13 plus dash will become 0. I am at minus 13. Minus 13 is where we are.
Down.
To get 0, what should I do? I am 13 steps down. I want to go at 0.
Less 13.
What should I do?
Less 13.
13 steps I have to go up now.
Yes.
Are you understanding? All. Where I am? Minus 13 means 13 steps down. We know steps method I said to you know here 0. Up steps are there, down steps are there. 13 steps down I came. Now I want to go 0. Means what should I do? I have to go up or down? I have to go up only, no. Up means what? Plus. How many steps up I have to go? 13 steps. That's why what answer will come here? Plus? Don't write now. Second question. Minus 16 plus 16. What will be there? Minus 16 plus 16. 16 steps I went down. Again plus 16 means 16 steps I went up. Means where we are? 0 only no?
Yes.
Okay. Next, third question. Minus 5 plus dash is equal to minus 14. Means where we are first?
Minus 5.
We are at minus 5. We are at minus 5. Where do you want to go? Minus 14.
Minus 6.
We want to go at minus 14. Means we have to go down or up?
Down.
How many steps?
9.
9 steps now.
Yes.
We are at minus 5 now. I want to go at minus 14. Where will be the minus 14? Down or up?
Down.
Down you have to go. Down means what symbol? Minus. How many steps? 9 on 5 onwards. 1, 2, 3, 9 steps no. 5 and 9, 14 no. 9 steps no. That's why what is answer? Minus 9. Down we are going. That's why minus. How many steps? 9 steps. That's why minus 9. Are you understanding or any doubt?
Understanding.
Last question. Dash minus 16 is equal to minus 22. So this is also like this only. Minus 16 means we are at minus 16. Where do you want to go?
Down.
Minus 22. We are at minus 16. We want to go minus 22. Minus 22 is where?
Down.
Up.
Down.
So means you have to go down only, no?
Yes.
How many steps down you have to go? 6 steps. Down means what symbol? Minus. How many steps? 6 steps. That's why what is answer? Minus 6. You understand? Clear? Is it doubt or?
Not yet.
Okay, write it. So this chapter is completed.